Namaskar. Most of you may be familiar of Ajwain or Carom seed, a common ingredient in our Indian kitchen. It has a distinct aroma and a unique taste, and it is one of the best household remedies for digestive problems. Today, I am going to tell you more about its benefits and how to prepare Ajwain water to help your digestion. Ajwain contains thiamol, which is an active compound that stimulates the production of gastric juices. That is why Ajwain is a natural digestive tonic that helps break down your food more effectively. Whenever you have acidity or indigestion after a heavy meal, Ajwain water can provide quick relief and soothe your stomach. For those who frequently experience this inconvenience from trapped gas, Ajwain water can be very useful. Thiamol and carbapenem in Ajwain has carminated properties. This means that they help to reduce gas formation in the gastrointestinal tract. They also help to release it, and you will feel relief from that uncomfortable bloated feeling immediately. Sometimes, if you have stomach cramps due to overeating, irregular meals, or menstrual pain, Ajwain water can also act as a natural antispasmodic. It will relax the muscles in your gastrointestinal tract and reduce spasm. Soon your pain will decrease. Ajwain also has antimicrobial properties that stops the growth of harmful bacteria like E. coli. These bacteria can cause severe diarrhea. You must drink Ajwain water whenever you have food outside eateries. If you drink this Ajwain water regularly, it can balance your stomach's acid level very nicely. Those who have burning sensation after eating spicy or heavy meal, such people should take Ajwain water. Its alkaline nature neutralizes excess acid and gives your digestive system good relief. So let's see how to make Ajwain water. The soaking method. Take a teaspoon of Ajwain seeds and soak them in a glass of water overnight. Strain and drink it on an empty stomach in the morning. Second, the boiling method. Add 1 teaspoon of Ajwain seeds to 2 cups of water and boil for 5 minutes. Let it cool, strain and drink. Adding a pinch of black salt or a few lemon drops is also good for your digestion. Ajwain is a handy natural remedy for a variety of digestive health issues. Although it is highly effective, remember, you must take it in moderation. Consuming too much may lead to dry mouth or slightly bitter aftertaste. Better to have just 1 glass per day, preferably on an empty stomach or after heavy meals. In this way, you will get its digestive benefits without having any side effects. Natural remedies like Ajwain water are simple to make, and they ensure that your stomach stays healthy. Namaskar.